We have lots of fresh basil in the garden and blending some of it in a food processor with pine nuts because today on Grandma Bessie's house, we are combining basil and pine nuts to make our classic basil pesto. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Toast pine nuts in a dry skillet over medium-low heat until golden brown and fragrant. Set nuts aside to cool. Take a second to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other traditional sauce recipes. If you enjoy what you see, subscribe below to show your support and help our channel grow. Place basil leaves into a food processor. Also add toasted pine nuts, minced garlic. Place garlic into the food processor, along with salt and pepper. Process on high speed, 30 seconds to 1 minute. What's your favorite flavor of pesto? Leave your response in the comments below the video. Gather olive oil. Process mixture again while adding in olive oil. When pesto is the consistency that you like, transfer pesto to a bowl. Grate Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and add cheese to the pesto. Stir until fully combined. Transfer to a food storage container. Cover and refrigerate until you use pesto to marinate your choice of protein, to coat your choice of pasta, or to spread into a yummy sandwich. If you have not already, show us some love. Like and share this recipe. Also, subscribe below to know when we release new videos. If you plan to freeze basil pesto, blanch the basil leaves by placing them into a pot of boiling water, stirring 10 to 15 seconds. Remove basil from boiling water and immediately place into a bowl of ice water. Remove from ice water and place into a paper towel lined salad spinner. Spin and transfer to a bowl lined with paper towels until fully dry. Continue with the original recipe. You will love this versatile sauce. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.